Toyota Wi-Fi Connect is an in-vehicle internet service that provides wireless internet access through your vehicle's infotainment system. The service is available in popular models like Camry, RAV4, Highlander, and Prius from 2022 onwards, as well as the Lexus lineup and truck series, including Tacoma and Tundra. Toyota Wi-Fi Connect uses Verizon's 4G LTE network infrastructure, supporting up to 5 connected devices simultaneously with a range of approximately 50 feet from the vehicle. Users frequently experience performance issues, including significantly slower speeds than promised. While Toyota advertises 25 plus megabits per second, actual speeds typically range from 10 to 15 megabits per second. Additional problems include data plan limitations that cause unexpected service interruptions and coverage gaps, particularly in rural areas. Smartphone integration presents significant challenges. CarPlay users experience intermittent disconnections, audio lag, and compatibility problems with newer iOS versions. Android Auto faces similar issues with connection drops on Android 14 and newer versions, plus USB-C connection problems. Bluetooth connectivity also suffers from pairing failures with newer smartphone models and audio quality degradation during calls. Despite these challenges, Toyota Wi-Fi Connect maintains a 34% adoption rate among eligible vehicle owners, with a customer satisfaction score of 72 out of 100. However, connectivity issues across CarPlay, Android Auto, and Bluetooth continue to impact the user experience. Toyota is revolutionizing vehicle connectivity with over-the-air updates that enable seamless smartphone integration. These wireless updates will eliminate the need for dealership visits to fix software issues. The transition to 5G networks will dramatically improve connection speeds and reduce latency. Toyota vehicles will support faster downloads, smoother streaming, and more responsive cloud-based services. Factory-installed Dashcam systems are becoming standard, offering automatic cloud backup through Wi-Fi Connect. These systems provide continuous recording with intelligent incident detection and emergency response integration. Advanced driver assistance systems will integrate seamlessly with connectivity features. This includes real-time traffic data, predictive maintenance alerts, and enhanced safety monitoring through connected sensors. Toyota's roadmap for 2025 to 2026 includes significant improvements to wireless CarPlay and Android Auto stability, enhanced multi-device management, and better integration with smart home systems. These connectivity advancements will revolutionize insurance and safety applications. Usage-based insurance policies, automatic crash reporting, and real-time emergency response will become standard features, potentially reducing insurance costs and improving safety outcomes.